Hi, I'm Rodney Trigg from Trigg's Trellis Supplies. I'm here to show you a new product called a Vicebite stay bracket. This bracket's for use in vineyards, orchards and general fencing to give you a very strong, stable end assembly. It's simply a way of connecting your stay to your end post. We wanted to design something that took away the need to cut into your end post. Treated timber posts are normally only surface treated, and once you cut in through that treated layer you severely weaken the end post at a very critical point. This bracket's made from 2.5mm galvanised steel. It's pressed into place so there's no welds, no weak points. It has teeth here that bite into the stay and a tab that stops it moving upwards, so it's then locked into position. That tab can later be knocked down to the angle required. Teeth on the back of it allow it to be pushed down into position and lock in and don't let it come back up again. I'll show you a fast, easy way to install this. The first end assembly I want to show you uses two posts, this being your end post and your backing post. First we install a stay bracket upside down, the tab at the bottom, fix it to the post. We then place the excess material of the stay past that post. Lift it up to the predetermined height and simply run a chainsaw straight down the face of your end post, trimming that to the right angle, which we've already done in this situation. And we then flip the post over and that becomes the right angle to drop straight onto your stay bracket. You then hold the post predetermined height again, run the saw straight through the end of it. That gives you the right angle for this end. Then simply lift it up, slip a bracket on there, tap that down till you get to the height you want it, give the tab a tap down to get the angle of the post, quick knock in there, that locks it in and that's done. We also run a wire loop from the bottom to the back of the end post around this assembly, around the top of this. That gives us a loop, holds that post back and forces through this stay onto the strainer. Makes a very solid end assembly.